Hey guys, welcome back to Metten. So in this today we are going to look at the anatomy of the peroneal retinacula. So peroneal retinacula is also part of the lateral compartment of the leg. So basically we are going to go over the discussion over the lateral compartment of the leg in terms of boundaries and contents, and finally we'll discuss about the lateral peroneal retinacula. So when it comes to the boundaries, what about the boundaries of the lateral compartment of the leg? We have the anterior boundary, posterior boundary, medial boundary, as well as the lateral boundary. When it comes to the anterior boundary, we have the anterior intermuscular septum, and posterior boundary we have the posterior intermuscular septum, and finally medially we have the lateral surface of the fibula, and finally laterally we have the deep fascia of the leg. So finally, what about the contents of the lateral compartment of the leg? Contents, when it comes to the contents, in terms of arteries, the lateral compartment of the leg does not have its own artery. So no artery is present in the lateral compartment of the leg. And when it comes to the nerve, we have one nerve, which is that nerve that's called as the superficial peroneal nerve. It is branch of the common peroneal nerve, right? Superficial peroneal nerve. And finally, what about the muscles that we have in the lateral compartment of the leg? We have two different muscles. We have the peroneus longus as well as peroneus brevis. We have two different muscles, peroneus longus and peroneus brevis. And finally, we have veins. And what are the veins we have? So actually these are small unnamed veins, and they drain into the short saphenous vein. So what about veins of the lateral compartment of the leg? We have short unnamed veins, and they drain into the short saphenous vein. Muscles, we have the peroneus longus and brevis. And when it comes to the nerve, we have superficial peroneal nerve. And when it comes to the arteries, we have no artery particular to the lateral compartment of the leg. So this was just the introduction to the lateral compartment of the leg. Now finally moving into the topic, that is the peroneal retinacula. So this is an important topic, and you need to know it in detail. So when it comes to the peroneal retinacula, these are nothing but as they are the thick bands of deep fascia. And what is their work? Their work is to keep in position the tendons of the peroneus longus and peroneus brevis. We have the tendons of peroneus longus and peroneus brevis. These are the two muscles of the lateral compartment of the leg, and the tendons of these two muscles to keep in position, to hold them in position, the work of the peroneal retinacula. So when you actually visualize the lateral part of the leg, so this is the lateral part of the leg. We have superior peroneal retinaculum as well as the inferior peroneal retinaculum. So superior peroneal retinaculum as well as we have the inferior peroneal retinaculum. So this is the superior peroneal retinaculum, and these are the inferior peroneal retinaculum. So peroneal retinaculum, we have two, superior peroneal retinaculum as well as the inferior peroneal retinaculum. Now we are going to discuss about the attachments and relations of both of these. So stick to the video till the end. So firstly, beginning with the superior peroneal retinaculum. So when it comes to the superior peroneal retinaculum, this is again, I told you, it's just a thickened fibrous band, and this lies just behind the lateral malleolus. We have the lateral malleolus here, and just behind it lies just behind the lateral malleolus. And finally, what about the attachments? We have an anterior attachment as well as a posterior attachment. Anteriorly, it is attached to the lateral malleolus. And posteriorly it is attached to the calcaneum. What is calcaneum? This is the tarsal bone. So calcaneum. So these are the attachments of the superior peroneal retinaculum. Finally, relations. What do we know about the relations of the superior peroneal retinaculum? So that the tendons of both peroneus longus and peroneus brevis, they lie deep to this retinaculum. We have the tendons of peroneus longus as well as peroneus brevis, and both of these tendons lie deep to the superior peroneal retinaculum, and these tendons are enclosed in a common synovial sheath. So that's about the relations of the superior peroneal retinaculum. Now moving on to the inferior peroneal retinaculum. Inferior peroneal retinaculum, and this inferior peroneal retinaculum, again it is a thick and fibrous band of deep fascia, and this actually is situated anterior inferior to the lateral malleolus. Anterior inferior, so situated anterior inferior to the lateral malleolus. And again, what about the attachments? We have the again superior as well as the inferior attachment, superior and the inferior attachment, whereas in superior peroneal retinaculum we had anterior and the posterior attachment. So superiorly it is attached to the calcaneum, again a tarsal bone, and inferiorly it is attached to the lateral surface of the calcaneum. Same, lateral surface of the calcaneum superiorly attached to the body of the calcaneum. And finally the relations of the inferior peroneal retinaculum. So the upper division of the inferior peroneal retinaculum, this holds the tendon of the peroneus brevis. The upper division holds the tendon of the peroneus brevis, and the inferior loop of the inferior retinaculum, it holds the tendon of the peroneus longus. So we have two different divisions of the inferior peroneal retinaculum, the upper division and the inferior division. The superior division holds the tendon of the peroneus brevis, and the inferior division holds the tendon of the peroneus longus, and each tendon is enclosed as a separate synovial sheath to supply the muscles. So this is about the peroneal retinacula, both of the superior as well as the inferior peroneal retinacula. I hope this video made sense to you. Please make sure to subscribe, and you can share it to other friends and people. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.